Hi, welcome back. So this will be a short video for today itinerary for Puri and Chilika trip in the winter. We started 6:40 in the morning in an Ertiga and I got to share third row with two philosophers, my nephews. Upon reaching there, we checked into Hotel Petal Residence which we already had pre-booked. Although we had lighter breakfast and route, we again had over there because we had already paid for it. The public beach located very near to the hotel then called us to have a sea wedding over there. I came back to the hotel to freshen up. Post lunch, we headed towards Padadanda for Bhagavan Darshan late in the afternoon. As it was too crowded, we offered our prayer from a distance. With sun setting in, it was time for some relaxation at Golden Beach, and they have proper sitting arrangement this time. The beach had hosted a sand art festival. There were numerous sand art, most probably by very famous Darshan Patnaik. Breeze was so soothing you were almost about to doze, and then Mr. Hunger gave us a call. Then a magic happened. We landed in a very old Trident restaurant that is Pink House and restaurant. Like in the past, this time also the food was young. And the bonfire by the seaside on top of it increased the whole experience. The very next day around 7 o'clock we checked out from a hotel, which is the prevalent time in Puri for checkout, and marched to Chilika. So it took around 2.5 hours from Puri to reach to the boating center of Chilika, that's Palugaon. We got a private boat for 69 for entire family that has a capacity of 10%. The boat ride was very soothing. Uh, the wind, cold bridge, um, the view, scenery of the island, the birds. We got 10 rupees packet food, some kind of birds food to feed them. The journey was good. So after 40 minutes of boat ride, we finally reached the island of Kalijaire, and there were already roughly 50 boats already there. The sailor in a boat is looking for a spot to anchor the boat, and this is the Kalijaire team. So it might take a while, around 5 minutes, because around 5 minutes to anchor the boat, and yeah, as per the writing, it looks like a floating stone. That means the stone is floating on the water. I don't know how accurately we can term it as a stone, but yep. Now it is time to head back to the boarding center. Though the journey back and forth to Kalijaire temple or the island was pretty good, but the temple itself needs a lot of improvement in terms of maintenance. But yeah, we enjoyed the entire journey, the family bonding. Uh, it was 3 o'clock and it was time for lunch, so we headed towards very famous Chilika Dhaba, and the meal was good at a reasonable price. Nearby, there was a OTTC sports complex that organized sports activity. But since it was evening, we couldn't get time to explore that. Maybe next time. With that, the 2 day trip comes to an end.